Ciao, it's Anthony. Check out this beautiful pizza. This is our Margherita Pizza, made with Sicilian olive oil, garlic sauce, Wisconsin mozzarella cheese, fresh Roma tomatoes, and this pizza beautiful. Look at that. It's one of my favorites. On top with fresh basil. There we go. This is New York-Style Pizza. You hear the crunch? Nice and crispy crust. Crust is made with extra virgin olive oil. It's made with high quality premium flour. And it gives you a nice color on the crust. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Very nice in this pizza. I'm going to show you how to eat New York-Style pizza. You just pick up a slice, you just fold it. Here we go. Look at that slice. That's amazing. It stands up straight. It's got the right color. Nice golden brown. Nice and crispy. I can smell the basil. This is the pizza to die for. It's amazing. Fresh mozzarella, Roma tomatoes, and fresh basil. Mangia. Ciao.